This is Japan Vlog Service. Hi YouTube, Michael Beckett here. So it's Sunday the 3rd of May 2015. I'm in Sakai actually at the moment. Staying at train to Namba, having dinner with the mother-in-law and the wife. I'm just checking in. It's another humid day. And I'm sweating like a pig, so but I'm good. Not much else to say really, not much else going on. And speak to you next week, i.e. in 24 hours. See ya. Bye. I'm back. Little update because look at this. There is rain. Yay. Seriously, yay. Usually it'd just be a reason not to go outside, but it's just too warm around. And then I expect late May to be, Indian summer-like in terms of temperature, but not early May. And rain will cool things down a little bit. So yeah, really happy actually because of that. And I just thought I'd show you some of it. So yeah, cool. Rain. I love rain. But yeah, so it's just really unwell recently. Because of it. It's just, I don't eat, and I'm constantly having to drink something, but sweating it all out. The heat just kills any hunger for me, and which makes, because you might think that sounds fun, do you? You can have a couple of beers in the summer heat. You really wouldn't feel like actually doing so, because it's too hot, humid, sticky. But yay for rain. Now this is it. See ya. Bye. Many things it's difficult to do with a disability is operate an umbrella, particularly if you have a cane. But yeah, some heavy duty rain now, but I'm still enjoying it. See ya. Bye.